Where am I? This place sure looks weird, man. I should have never gone to KFC after work. Those toilets can be sketchy. I am Reggie. You are in a KFC toilet. This place is full of mystery, so be careful and take the master sword with you. Thanks, Reggie. I really appreciate it, bro. This place is really getting weird.
It's over 9,000!
Oh shit, it's those gay Teletubbies and they're out to kill me. I have to kill them. I see a town up ahead. I better go there and find some food.
Fight